Wow.
Look at the plastic lettuce. Look. Plastic lettuce. Look at the plastic. I can't believe we buy this in the market. This is not what we grow in Jamaica. See it? This is what I get off lettuce. I've never seen this before. I'm eating lettuce since I was a child, and I've never seen this before. Look. I don't know. We need to do something about this plastic. I tried to eat this lettuce the other day and I could not throw out everything. I realized there was something left back in my mouth, which is this. And when I discover it, it is plastic lettuce. Look. Plastic. Here. Here. Plastic. Trust me. This is not good enough for us. This will kill us. Jamaica government needs to do something about this. All this plastic stuff killing us. We're trying to eat healthy, but it don't make any sense. We try to eat healthy. These things are going to give us cancer. That's why so many persons in Jamaica are developing cancer. I think this is ridiculous. Alright? So people, just be careful of what you eat. And I think we have a lot of land here in Jamaica. We can grow a lot of things. I've passed through a lot of parishes where I see a lot of wasteland. And we are not doing anything. We need to grow our own stuff here in Jamaica. I think this is stupidness for us to buy this lettuce and it's plastic. Look how it's perfect. Look. This is too perfect. Not even insect bite is not in this lettuce. That's why I like to buy the things with a little insect bite in it. So you can know it's real. This one is too perfect. I have this in my fridge at least 3 weeks now. It's not spoiling or anything. It's all about plastic. Look. So guys, just be careful. Alright?